Hey, foodies, welcome back to Bloggin Good Food. Grab your forks because today we are embarking on a tantalizing journey through the vibrant and delicious world of lemon chicken flavors. Get ready to awaken those taste buds with a burst of citrusy goodness that will leave you craving more. Classic lemon chicken. Let's kick things off with our timeless favorite, classic lemon chicken. Tender chicken infused with the bright and zesty notes of lemons, creating a symphony of flavors that's as comforting as it is delectable. Asian fusion lemon chicken. Now, let's take a flavorful journey to the east, where zesty meets exotic. Imagine succulent bites of chicken infused with the vibrant flavors of Asia, a perfect balance of sweet, savory, and a hint of spice. Great lemon chicken delights. Who says lemons are just for baking? Let's fire up the grill for some smoky, citrus infused goodness. Imagine the charred perfection of great lemon chicken, capturing the essence of summer in every bite. Lemon herb infusion. Let's elevate our taste adventure with a lemon herb infusion. Succulent chicken kissed by the aromatic blend of rosemary, thyme, and the zest of lemons. It's a gourmet delight that's as pleasing to the eyes as it is to the palate. Citrus desert extravaganza. And just when you thought we are done, we dive into the sweet side of lemon chicken flavors. Indulge in the citrusy bliss of lemon infused desserts, proving that lemons are not just for savory dishes. And there you have it, folks. A delightful tour through the incredible mouth-watering world of lemon chicken flavors. Which one are you itching to try first? Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more food adventures, and share your favorite lemon chicken recipes in the comments below. Until next time, keep savoring the flavor and happy cooking.